Oh, hey everybody. Welcome back. Got another garden video for you guys today. So today's a cleanup video. So usually right after we get the first good rainstorm, I'll go through and clear out the garden and get rid of all the dead stuff and do some cleaning and mending if anything needs to be fixed, and then look for any leaks or flaws or anything like that and then address those. So thank you guys for tuning in. Hope you're having a great week. Yeah, without further ado, let's get over here to show you guys what I got done in the warm weather. So kind of have a mess from the wind. We had the storms last night, but I'll start over here. Got this guy all cleaned out. Got all the carrots pulled out. The pump needs to be replaced. It's a really old pump that I was using in there, so as soon as I get some extra cash, I'll be replacing that. And then I went and I took apart this whole thing, took all this apart and rebuilt it, cleaned out the gunk on the inside. We've having some real bad insect problems out here. Some pretty unusually large. Oh my God, there's one right there. He's after one of my watermelon plants. I'll give him his space. He looks like he could do some damage if I got near him. Wow, look at that sucker. And I just cleaned this out, so he must have been hiding underneath there. Hopped out back on top after I got done cleaning it. Man, that's a beast. Huh. Nothing I can do about that. Looks like he's made out of steel. So I got this bed all cleaned out. This is where the the cucumbers, Armenian cucumbers. I had beans and I had corn in here. I got all that cleaned out. After I pulled out all the roots, what I'll do is I'll take the bell siphon, take the bell cap off, fill it with rocks, flip it over and put it on top and let this thing fill up with water. And what it does is it levels out the bed, and it also scares away a lot of the bugs that are living in there. So once this thing fills up with water, you'll see a lot of bugs trying to escape and run for their lives. The bugs that are in there trying to eat the worms, like the earwigs and centipedes, those guys are predatory towards worms. But I'm pretty sure my worm population's just fine. I'll pull some of this up and see if we can see any. Oh, I don't really see any, so maybe they're just not over here. I know I saw some earlier when I was messing around with the pump, or not the pump, the fill end over here. Alright, and then over here, we pulled out all the dead stuff that was in here too. I think there was an insect running around in here chewing on stuff too. Not sure where. Oh, there he is. He's in the basil. Man, I don't know what to do about these. Pretty big. Must be one of those Pestamongus giganticus stelicus spoonicus. We got some string tied up for the grapes, so the grapes can kind of take over now and go all over the place and do whatever they need to do. And as for any leaks or any repairs, I didn't have to deal with any of that kind of stuff. So, you know, I've already done all of the mistakes and screwed up on all the stuff that I'm going to screw up on a long time ago. So I kind of know what I'm doing now. Doesn't mean I'm an expert by any means. It just means that any of the mistakes I made have already been resolved and fixed a long time ago. Now I got all the Dutch buckets emptied out. I probably already showed you guys all these. I got one yellow Scotch bonnet in here. Not sure if it's going to make it. Of course, the bell pepper plant that's dying back, but also got new growth coming out down in here. So I guess that's all I got for you guys. Got a lot of a lot of rain over the last couple of days, which has been really good. We needed it. Hopefully some of you guys out in the high desert up there with your rain catchment systems got you some rain too. Usually it seems like when you guys have rain, I didn't get any. So maybe if I got rain last night, you may or may not have gotten any yesterday as well. You guys know who you are. Let's see, we got Rick from Gardening in Gnome Town. We got Jim and Jessica from the Green Dream Project. They've got one heck of a rain catchment system out there. They're going to be some water independent folks. I think Rick's using a well. He got a well up there. But yeah, that's all I got for you guys today. It's really hot out and humid. I need to drink some more water. I'm sweating like crazy right now. So thank you guys for tuning in. And as always, keep building and try to be good to each other. We're not here for very long. Water's a little murky.